Hi, Kesa from Bypass Smart English. Today about how to use up the vocabularies, how to make the vocabularies every time. This is your lesson. It's my lesson. So I don't think about vocabulary. I don't think about everyone. You can't speak English until you don't have a good and excellent vocabulary in your mind. You have to learn is divided in every way and new thing, new everything, and that's a good. You have a good vocabulary, good performance of your new thing of the English and Hindi. Many languages is different, but you don't tell what. How can you speak English? How can you speak too much on stage, on your school, on your college, anyone? Need to learn many more vocabularies on your own and learn make sentences on your own. Don't feel unnecessarily, feel on yourself, on your vocabularies. Vocabulary will learn when you are focusing, when you are concentrate on your vocabularies. I used to learn. I have made my goal and for learning speaking English, but first of all I made my goal for learning vocabularies. Make the most of perfect your life, the most of vocabularies is using every time. I used to think only about my vocabularies, about my new thing in my life, new thing and to conversation with the friends. If you have no idea, talk to starting with small words and small sentences and with vocabularies. If you want to be a good speaker in this, you have to need you make sentences with new vocabularies every day. Learn new vocabularies and to use them with your sentences and don't miss your vocabularies each day. If you have a good vocabularies, you can good collection of vocabularies. Definitely you can make a good conversation with everyone, stranger with invisible in the phone not talking. And this is it's on up to you. You can learn if you wanna succeed, you wanna is an achievement of the history of the English. Now you have to take this advice, you have to accept this advice on you, to implement on you this advice. I don't think more, just think your vocabularies. Good time every time is learning new thing new on yourself. Read every single day. This is the most important tips for your content, for your expand your vocabularies. This is not a vocabulary is not your most important. Your content is the king, your vocabulary is the king. Read every day, books, magazines, blogs on Google. Go on booking on Google and find this blog is new thing for learning every time. This is your create, this is your part. You can read as much you can read, as much you can find vocabularies in blogs, on these books, magazine. Books content give you 100 regions to learn everything in vocabularies, in books, in you, and to find a new thing, new vocabularies. Whenever you read books, find a new vocabulary. Pick out vocabulary on and note down your books, every daily books, and search in dictionary how to use this, how to sentences. And most special and application I will suggest you. This is one application you can use. MacTab. This MacTab is a fantastic and brilliant application. I have been using for many days. I have got lots of vocabularies, especially with sentences. It is a great, excellent application. If you want to search, you want to download this, I will give you link in description box. This is the good advice for your communication, for your vocabularies. They say here. Improve vocabularies with treasure of your closely. This improvement is your vocabularies and contents king desert. As you may know, treasures content synonyms of a word you already know. If you notice you are using the same simple word too often and want to change that, you also be an improvement. You may look up synonyms to change one to this. Synonyms can be what can add some more creative or complex. Associate a new term with these ones you already know will make it easier for you to merge with them into your vocabularies. Begin using them. Vocabulary using with them is one time, two time, three time. If you don't learn, I implement your learning skills of it. There's so many YouTube channels providing how to learn fast. If you want to make videos, this would be made video on this content, on this topic. I will make videos on this how to learn fast vocabularies, and this is by great lesson for everyone. Next is one here. Learn arbitrary vocabularies, enhancing your communication skills, enhance your talk to with your unknown people, is your attract as people's everyone. You can talk to with everyone. If you don't have no good skills, you don't have no vocabularies set up with that, so you have to make a good collection of the vocabularies. That word you can use every day and every time. Pick out a word from anywhere and to provide this here, and is enhance your vocabulary every day is the easiest way to learn this new word. Learn word that you can use in every day. Conversation with friends, since you will use these words often, you will incorporate them into your vocabulary setup. Make a one vocabulary setup goal, then learn day by day and every way. This is your pay, this is your target of this. Learn every day something new. Your newspaper, your blogs, your Google, especially YouTube, providing every YouTube channel, they give the new advice from anywhere, and you can learn new thing every day. If you can't take a new advice from another books, another newspaper, how can you implement, how can expectation you can speak English fast and you can learn vocabulary fast? How can is that? You have to hard work, you have to think is more and more. Learn new vocabularies, know new thing, new every day. Learn new thing, new day, learn new word each day. If you learn new word, enhance your vocabulary. Your vocabulary will improvement faster if you learn new math words more often. Challenge yourself to find learn a few more each day. Practice the use of these words using methods we listen here. The more words you learn, the richer your vocabulary will be enhanced at all. I use the every day. I watch certain thing if it will happen with me. If I don't learn, I think I don't take footage till then. So thanks for watching this video. I will tell you the 5 tips I will tell you in this video. I will tell you 5 net video. Then you can enhance the vocabularies, how to learn this vocabulary, how to expand your vocabulary every time. This is your great lesson you can learn. Especially for IELTS exam. IELTS exam you have to qualify, you have to learn a new thing every day. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Keshav from Bye Smart English. We will meet tomorrow new video. You enhance the video I will fast. Face the problem and suffering from you can win yourself.